tengok apa pair bun lah.
Yes, pair itik.
Okay.
Safe haven. Tengok apa kesan dia.
Yeah, actually, chef. Okay, one of the reasons EURCHF was also moving in the direction that we didn't expect. Sebab Switzerland ataupun chef, essentially, of course, we know chef is a safe haven. Okay, and we expected euro to weaken. Okay, and chef to strengthen due to this Ukraine Russia, because this issue wasn't part of initially kita punya analysis, so that's why we said it will have to go up. But when the Ukraine Russia issue came about 1.5 weeks ataupun 2 weeks, so these things came, and then I tried to test again this 1.03 ataupun slightly below 1.03, the previous support. So it take out the support dekat sini ataupun stop loss anti, and then move back. So chef again as a safe haven. So bila ada sanction like this, okay, people will move from US dollar. Okay, US dollar still a safe haven generally, but the country being sanctioned, okay, they will move to chef. Because JPY still in a way is a pro US. So the country Switzerland, although they duduk dekat Europe, okay, but Switzerland, that's a one country, they duduk kat tengah-tengah, is a very neutral country. Oh yeah, just now the meeting that I mentioned it, okay, of course Russia was proposing Belarus, dekat Belarus. I think the city name is Minsk, I think. Okay, but siapa tu? Ukraine president don't like it because he's worried about his safety. Okay, so they're proposing Norway ataupun Switzerland. Yeah, actually now I remember Switzerland is the next country. They are proposing to have the meeting. Normally dia akan berlaku dekat Geneva ataupun Zurich lah, because this is a neutral country dekat Europe. Okay, so with that, chef still on high demand. This Russia-Ukraine issue, if this escalate, and then I think previously we mentioned also 1.02 also can be broken to test this next support level, of course, 1.01, sorry, 1.02, and then probably again we are not expecting to go down to below $1, but let's say it can go to 1.02. That's the first support, and then 1.01 if Russia-Ukraine issue escalate further. Okay, so something this is so in between chef JPY, okay, chef will strengthen a lot in this crisis. Okay, normally both also will strengthen, but in this scenario chef will strengthen more than JPY. So siapa yang trade chef JPY kejap lagi kita tengok. Okay, but I think the movement, if good news comes out, sama macam equity, we expecting to move up. Tapi pasal these things probably can get out of control in the next couple of days, so we are expecting sell on rally to 1.02. Okay, that's the first level, and 1.01 will be the next level. Okay, since I mentioned chef JPY, maybe so kita tak pernah tengok chef JPY. Okay, so chef JPY, yeah, this movement is going up because euro is weakening, so chef is taking their place at this point. So we will see if Russia-Ukraine issue getting out of control, we are probably seeing more upside on chef JPY. That means chef JPY at this point, the highest it made was about 127 something. That means about 200 to 300 pips. So we are looking at it, maybe 126 is the next resistance, then 127 will be the second resistance. Okay, so but if the issue kind of a cool down, then we probably expect this sideways move. So both are equally strong, so probably sideways for some time until probably everything cools down. JPY will take over, and then chef become a bit weaker if SNB intervene. Sebab sekarang ni chef is getting stronger and stronger, and SNB don't like CHF to be stronger. Okay, so that will probably happen at the later part. But I think at this point, CHFJPY will be on a sideways range. If good news comes out, if not so good news, then we are expecting CHFJPY to go up. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, next kita ada permintaan pair GJ Cikgu Rashid daripada Tuan Muhammad Ilyas.
Okay, GJ tiba-tiba semalam dia macam sideways. Saya ingatkan dia akan jatuh and then dia tak jatuh. Ya, saya share screen saya, boleh nampak screen saya?
Belum.
Because I was expecting GJ to drop, JPY to get stronger. Okay, so this is on the weekly time frame, but kita tengok on the daily time frame. Okay, tak nampak clear sangat, but I think we talked about this JPY strength for some time. Okay, this is expected due to the Russia-Ukraine issue. Okay, sama macam GU. Okay, because of course GJ is a cross pair of GU, so any move for GJ is primarily driven by GU. Okay, so dia punya movement lebih kurang sama. So since there's some good news comes up, GJ naik ke atas, but we were expecting yesterday the things will probably escalate a bit further, so JPY will get a strength, so move down. Tapi dia tak jadi sebab dia sideways almost beberapa jam. So saya ada trade GJ ni, so saya ingatkan dia akan turun daripada 155 ni, tapi dia tak turun. Dia main dekat sideways ni, so I was expecting dia at least turun ke sini. Okay, this move dapat sedikit, so I was expecting some retracement on some good news, but then after that it was sideways for some time, and I was expecting a big drop last night, tapi tak jadi. So on this case, I'm expecting GJ. Okay, depending on the news coming out tomorrow, I'm still expecting GJ to go down, because UK again is a very strongly against Russia, and they are taking lots of strict action, even sampai dia nak ban football club ownership, and then they already ban, of course, Aeroflot. They already ban all those big Russian banks from trading in London. So there are so many strict action UK already done it. So of course Russia is retaliating a bit. Okay, so we are expecting GBP to weaken as well, and JPY to strengthen. So kalau dia tak turun ke sini, dia mungkin naik atas and then turun. So this 155.50 might be the broken support previously, might be tested before they go a bit further. So kalau tengok dekat 4 hourly ataupun daily, okay, so this is the broken support dekat 155.50, okay, ataupun this become a broken support. So this zone is a very strong zone, so market is anticipating worst case it still goes up then come down, otherwise depending on the news coming out, straight away go down from here. Okay, so this is a projection on GJ, Bun.
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu mapping untuk pair GJ